You're so lucky. You're married to such an awesome guy. Sexy, good looking, heart of gold. Alright guys, so today I have to hang a flower pot for Holly. So I'm just getting all my stuff together. And got my cutters. I need to change out my drill bit. Make sure. Yeah, that one will work. Alright, let's go do it. So today, we are hanging a flower pot for Holly for this new type of plant that we grow here. And you can see those very green, beautiful blooms. And they survive 15-degree weather, believe it or not. And it's a new type of plant material, Plastilicum. And these are recommended for even the most novice grower. So today we have another plant here that she's just got ready, and we're fixing to hang this one. It makes our back porch just a little more appealing to the eye and to the animals and the birds. All right, so you're gonna eyeball where you want it. You need to get in line with that one and this one to tell me where you want it. Right there. Give me the new Plastilicum plant and I'll hang it up.
You gotta have the...
Oh, the chain?
Yeah.
Did you count the links on the other ones?
Yeah, it's 12.
That's 12.
12. Okay, then 24. It's 12 folds.
You didn't say it. You said 12.
Then 24.
One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Math is hard. Damn, what you got at the bottom of that thing? All right, babe. Let me go put all this up. You are so lucky. You're married to such an awesome guy. Sexy, good looking, heart of gold.